In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on Vantage. Now, the first thing you want to do here after you sign in to your Vantage dashboard, your personal area here, you want to go to the Accounts tab, and of course, you want to create your account. Either demo or live, doesn't matter, whichever one you want to use. And then from there, you have a few options on how to trade gold. You could use TradingView, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or of course, their version of the web trader over here made by Vantage. So it's up to you if you want to connect to any of the ones I named. You can watch the tutorials on my channel. I have a separate tutorial on how to connect Vantage to both TradingView and any version of the MetaTrader, either 4 or 5. So go watch those videos. But here, of course, the easiest way is just to select the account you want to trade with, click on the trade button, and then click on Vantage Web Trading. And here it's going to take you to their Vantage Web Trading platform, where you can then go ahead here on the left-hand side, go ahead and click on Metals. And inside metals here, you're going to be able to see gold US dollar, which is XAU USD. If you don't see it, you can search for it, XAU USD. There we go. Click on it, and then here on the right, you'll be able to buy it and sell it. Now, right now, the market is closed, so I can't actually show you how to perform this. But if I go to crypto, it's going to be the same thing. Of course, just a different instrument. So here, make sure you have gold. And then you want to click on the buy button or the sell button here, and then you can just select what type of order you want to create, what's the volume you'd like in either lots or USD, and then you could also set take profits, stop losses, etc., and then you can go ahead and buy or sell right over here on Vantage. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.